Evergreens. I have a math problem and I need your help. Today, I'm trying to learn how to use this TI-84 Plus calculator. Hello? Anyone there? Today we are going to be practicing graphing using our calculator. I'm going to show you the process on my calculator, and you are going to practice using a different equation on your own calculator. If you did not bring a calculator to math intervention block today, you are going to look on with your elbow partner. The first thing we have to do is go to our y equals screen and clear out any entries that are there. So hit y equals and then clear out anything you see. Please also double check all the way at the bottom of the screen to make sure there aren't any more entries down here at y8, y9, and y0. When I say go, take 15 seconds to clear out your y equals screen. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Now that we've cleared out our y equals screen, we need to enter our new equation. I'm going to enter the equation x squared minus 9x plus 20. Your equation can be found on your handout. When I say go, type the equation that is on your handout into the y equals screen. Take the next 10 seconds to do so. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Now that we have typed in our equation into y equals, we can hit the graph button to see what our graph looks like. You should also see a concave up parabola, although yours will be slightly different than mine. The next thing we are going to practice is pulling up our table. Please hit the second and then graph button in the top right to pull up the table. When I say go, take the next 10 seconds to pull up the table on your own calculator. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Now remember, your table will look slightly different than mine. The first thing we are going to do is practice finding our vertex for these quadratic equations. I'm going to be looking for where the rate of change in my y's switches from negative to positive. Here I can see my outputs are decreasing, so I know my rate of change is negative. If I keep scrolling down, I can see that starting at the x value of 5, my rate of change becomes positive. When I say go, take 15 seconds to locate the vertex on your table. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. On my table, there is no clear, distinct vertex point. I know it has to be between the x values of 4 and 5 because that's where my rate of change switches from negative to positive. On your table, you should see a distinct vertex at the point 5, negative 4. Since our tables will not always give us a distinct vertex, we have to be able to calculate it using tools in the calculator. To do so, hit the graph button and then hit second trace to pull up the calculate menu. Please take the next 10 seconds to do so silently and independently. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Once you're in the calculate menu, go down to minimum because our vertex is a minimum. It'll ask for the left bound. Please just move the cursor until you see that it is to the left side of the vertex. When it says right bound, go to the right side of the vertex and hit enter once more. For guess, hit enter approximately where the vertex is, and your calculator will tell you the value of your vertex. When I say go, take the next 20 seconds to silently and independently confirm your vertex using the minimum calculate tool. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. The great thing about our calculator is that we can use the exact same process with the calculate menu to find our x-intercepts, vertex, or any points of intersection between any graphs. Thanks, Evergreens. I knew we could count on you.